Good morning, Chiquita. Morning, lady.
Morning.
What are we doing today?
We are going to tag the new babies that we have, including our little longhorn calf over there.
Nope, that's Lizzo the Cow.
Well, behind Poppy.
Ah, awesome. Good morning, Miss Tati. All right, Chiquita, you're hungry.
I think she's hungry.
We get it. Well, guys, welcome back to a New Year's edition of Railhead Ranch. Thank you for joining us for our first year. It has been an absolutely wild ride. The second year will undoubtedly be just as wild and hopefully much more interesting as we get to do more of the projects we want to do versus those things we have to do just to survive. So, lady, let's get to it.
Let's do it.
Well, we have a few who opted to go the easy route. You too, lady?
2 out of 4.
2 out of 4. We're going to do some horn work on Miss Chiquita back there, but these guys opted to bolt. So
we'll work with what we got.
We'll work with what we got. Work with it, not against it, right, lady?
Exactly.
So since these calves are a little bit bigger, we're not going to manhandle them. We are going to run them through the chute, run them through the alley, put them in the chute, and tag their ears there. The 2 younger calves we can probably manhandle. We'll do that momentarily. Well, was that sexist, manhandling? Will people handle them? Person handle them? I don't know. Astro! Hey, boy. And sweep tub is open. Okay, love. So, sweep tub. Cattle go into what we call the tub, shut the door on them, close it, they're forced into the alley and into the chute. We'll keep them in the alley until we're ready for them. One at a time, put them in the chute.
Let's go, guys. Come on. Go, go, go. Come on. Let's go.
So this is who we are trying to tag today. Lizzo the Cow, Banjo the Longhorn, Bean Boy, and Astro. Astro's up next, right?
Correct.
Okay, Astro's up. I'm gonna go ahead and let some of these guys out. So Astro's in the very back, right?
The last one.
Last one?
Yep.
Come on, girl. Second? Okay. Okay. Buenos dias, my child. I like your athleisure and
Boots.
boots. It works, right?
Yes, it does.
All right, cool. Kiddo enjoying winter break, halfway through her senior year of high school.
Yes, it's so nice.
Very cool. Do we want to give everybody an announcement?
Sure.
Where are you going to school?
UT, University of Texas at Austin.
University of Texas!
Hook 'em.
Hook 'em! And we caught Astro. You missed the action, but it was rather uneventful. All right, little hombre. We tag in the left ear, halfway down. I'm going to make sure I don't botch it this time. I'm squeezed down about as far as I can go here. I almost want to catch his head. He's big enough where I could catch his head. Easy, easy, easy boy, easy boy, easy boy. Hey, back, 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 back. Gotcha. There you go. That's it. That's all we got, little guy. That's all we got. It's okay. It's okay. Check it out. It's that easy. Work with it, not against it, homeboy. And we will also let Miss Evie out so she knows the chute is her friend. It is not scary. Come on, Miss Evie, you're next. Let's go. Miss Evie. She was the very first calf born here, March 11th? March 11th, I think.
Something like that.
Yeah. All right. Now the, oh, we
Next two.
Yeah, next two. Next up, Bean Boy. So I've got a Y-Tex tagging gun, but I bought a different brand of tags. Let's see if I can find. These are Catalan.us. Animal identification ear tags. You know, it's really hard to find the blank tags you can write on. So I did have to swap out the piercing element. On the Y-Tex, you have this slightly different hollowed out version. On this brand, it's solid and pointed at the end. But it all works the same. And we're now loaded, ready for action. Okay. Yes, Bean, come on through, big guy. Come on, Bean. All right, little dude. Let's try not to knock over the camera again.
Okay.
Okay. That should help.
I know, Bean.
You want to come hold his tail here? Little trick. Hold the tail nice and firm. They tend not to move as much. We want to go right in between that little V. You got his tail?
Yep.
And you're good, dude. That's all there is to it.
All right.
You're done. All right, dude.
Two of the four.
2 of the 4,
Not
50%. We'll take 50% around here. Cow team, assemble!
We're here.
Yeah, we're rolling.
Come on, Astro.
Oh, I totally left the hay open this morning. Well, I'm glad we came down here. Jeez, is Lizzo the Cow in there? She sure is. She's gonna have a hard time getting by me. It's like a football drill. Well, you know, while they're munching, maybe I can grab Lizzo the Cow.
You're gonna have to do better than that.
Okay, lady, what's our success ratio here?
Okay, so when dealing with cattle, if you get a 50% success rate, I feel like that's passing.
Yeah.
And we were able to tag 2 out of the 4. Therefore, we passed.
We passed.
That's what counts.
I'll take it.
Yep.
Yeah. We'll just have to get these guys on the next run.
Hell, getting 1 out of 4 we've been passing. So I feel like we're doing better than the average bear.
Yeah, we definitely have not yet put in the right working corral, which we will. It just, everything takes time and money. Those are 2 of the inevitable critical success variables. Time and money.
Dodge.
Hello, Dodge. What a beautiful coat you have.
It's gonna look great on my floor.
What? Yeah, spoiler alert, his appointment's made for March. You will be delicious, my friend. But we're gonna give him, we're being facetious, right? So we believe in giving these guys an awesome life on this place. And they're gonna have 1 bad day, but that's okay. And that's, you know, those few and far between chosen steers. Oh, look at our other 2 over there. Lizzo and Banjo are just hanging out.
Clever.
Clever.
They're clever.
Across the water. They know I'm not
Wiry and clever.
not gonna swim across to get them.
No.
Okay.
They're mocking us. Gun. Watch out, Tommy. Watch out.
It's in the
Where's the gun? You can assemble it. No, here, somebody's gotta assemble it. Here. I'll take Banjo.
Oh no, he's a little wiry.
Three out of 4.
75%, baby.
Now we're definitely passing. Woohoo!
And just like that, we've arrived at New Year's Day. Happy New Year, everybody. Again, thank you for joining us in 2022. It's been a crazy year. I hope you will subscribe and stick with us as we go into 2023. I promise you, we'll keep it just as eventful, especially as we add some of the projects and some of the activities and the things that we want to do versus those things we have to do. We'll share our lessons learned. You'll see some of the toys, the tips, and the tricks that we use to hopefully navigate through some of the craziness that is yet to come. And until then, I wish you much continued happiness, health, and prosperity as you embark on your crazy wild dreams, whatever those might be. We'll see you next time.